How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. This is the Hoto cordless screwdriver set with 12 bits. Small and lightweight, and it's very suited for working on small projects on your desk. Once you pick it up, you always have to push it 2 times. Fits in your hand pretty easily. You push this button to screw inwards, push this one to screw outwards. 3 torque setting off, 1, 2, and 3. If you use it, the light will turn on, just bright enough to illuminate whatever you need to see. If you're working in complete darkness, yes, it will help a lot. You just drop it in like so. The bits are slightly magnetic, so it will grab onto your screw. Let's see how I'll do with a PCB screw. Put it on setting 1. Now these screws are a little small, so I'm gonna finish it the rest of the way by hand torquing it. I don't want to strip the plastic there. You can lessen the torque that you turn the screw by holding on to the screwdriver lightly, and then when it's tightened, it'll just slip out of your hands. This is like a rubber grommet thing in there. It's just this rubber thing, and this is what the screwdriver sits on in the base. You got H3, 4, and 5 Allen wrench size. You got PH1, 2, and 3 PZ2. These are Phillips head with different sizes. SL4 flathead, and the torque's 15, 20, and 25. I found these to be really useful when you're working on car parts. One of the heads of the torques looks like that. It's sort of semi-security type of screw. I've used this bit several times, and you see I nicked it a little bit. From what I can tell, it's pretty strong. It's holding its shape. I've used weaker bits before where it removes material. So these look like it'll hold up for prolonged usage. Most of my work has to do with small electronics, so having a small screwdriver is a lot more convenient than, say, a full-size drill like this one. This is considered a really small DeWalt already, but you can see it's a lot lighter for everyday use. One full charge can do 1,000 screws. And when you're done with that, you set it into the base. There's a cover sleeve. This is made out of aluminum, and you just put it right here. Align the unlock symbol onto the line, and you twist it close. And on the top, there's a little spot for you to hang the screwdriver. The inside of this container is pretty much empty space, and right at the center, there's a position to hold the tip of this screwdriver head. When you first get this, it comes with this little rubber grommet to cover the top. I find that it's just a hassle to put this back on. The case is nice to keep dust off of your screwdriver if you are in a dusty environment, but most of the time I just leave this off. I leave this grommet off, so you have very easy access to the screwdriver. You just pick it up, pick your bit, put it on, and you're ready to go. Unloaded, it goes 250 RPM. Same speed on reverse. 15 milliamp hour battery. If you plug it in, the white LED pulsates to show that it's charging. Let's see if it can unscrew this medium duty. Oh, nope. Set it on 2. Let's see if it opens it. Nope. So 3, it's having a little hard time. So it will work, but a little tough for giant screws. If the motor is not strong enough, you can still turn it manually. Try opening these. If you guys are interested in this screwdriver set, check out my Amazon affiliate link down in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.